To become a certified advisor, a specific set of steps must be followed. Firstly, creating an account is necessary. If employed by a company that uses the system, registration can be done through the employer's account. Otherwise, a free 30-day trial can be signed up for by visiting the website and selecting the free option. Then filling in the required information, including first and last name, email, phone number, and location, and clicking the confirmation button. Once the account is created, logging in to the Central Hub is the next step, which can be done by searching for it online and using the account credentials to log in. After logging in, the Learning tab must be clicked, followed by the Certifications option, where various certifications can be viewed, including the Advisor certification. To obtain this certification, online courses must be completed at one's own pace or by attending a live webinar. Upon completing the training, an online assessment must be passed to obtain the certification. This process allows individuals to become certified advisors.